Nathaniel A. Dancalan from the Bachelor of Science in Nursing 2 Block B, and I'm assigned to present a video of my return demonstration performing acetic acid test. In a community setting, urinalysis using acetic acid is a good tool for nurses to have an idea about albumin in the urine. Greet the client and introduce yourself. It is used to start a better conversation. Good day, ma'am. I'm Nathaniel A. Dancalan from the Bachelor of Science in Nursing 2 Block B from Rizal Memorial State University, Main Campus, Capital City. How are you today, ma'am? Okay, sounds good. Explain the procedure to the client to reduce anxiety. Ma'am Mary, what we're gonna do today is that we're gonna doing acetic acid test. It is in order for us to have an idea about the albumin in your urine. Is that okay with you? Okay. Gather all the materials needed. It is in order to have an easy access to the equipment and hard to reach areas. These are the equipments needed in the acetic acid test. A bottle of acetic acid, test tube holder, alcohol lamp, match, fresh catch urine, early morning, soap in a soap dish, apron, paper lining, plastic lining, 2 droppers, kidney basin, hand towel, alcohol, bag. Instruct the client to urinate. Gather the specimen using clean container. Ma'am Mary, I have here a clean container. Can you please urinate and put a sample of your urine here in a clean container? We have our comfort room over there. Assuming that the client is already urinated. Place the paper lining clean side out on a table or any clean, flat surface away from the client. Spread the plastic lining over the paper lining, clean side in. Place the bag in the area away from the client, tucking handles beneath the bag. Open the bag, take out soap in dish, towel and apron. Soap in dish, towel and apron. Do thorough hand washing. Dry hands, place soap, dish and towel near the bag. It is used to remove dirt or microorganisms. It is the most effective measure in reducing the risk of transmitting diseases. contaminated. Put on apron right side out. It is in order to protect the uniform from being soiled and prevent the spread of microorganisms. Take out 2 droppers, a test tube and test tube holder, and place this in the kidney basin. Droppers, test tube, a test tube holder, and the kidney basin. Take out the alcohol lamp, match, acetic acid, and place them in the work area. Alcohol lamp, the match, and the acetic acid. Place the waste receptacle at one corner of the work area. Light the lamp. Fill the test tube 2/3 of urine. Now I will place this dropper near the waste receptacle because it is already contaminated. Heat the upper part or upper portion of the test tube till it boils. It is in order to detect deviation from normal one. Okay, so make sure that you hit the upper portion or upper part of the test tube because it is in order to detect deviation from normal one. Okay, so heat till it boils. now it is now in its boiling point. Okay, so hold the test tube against the light and examine for cloudiness or change in the transparency, which may be due to phosphates or albumin. So we'll examine it against the light. Okay, so now if the cloudiness appear, add 3 to 5 drops of acetic acid. So 1 drop at a time. So if the phosphate is present in the urine, cloudiness will disappear after the addition of acetic acid. Okay, so now I will going to use the another dropper to get the acetic acid. Okay, so make sure it is 1 drop at a time. Okay, so now I will place this dropper near the waste receptacle because it is already now contaminated. Okay, so repeat heating and adding acetic acid twice in order to make specimen sufficiently acid. So a persistent cloudiness indicates the presence of albumin. Okay, so heat it again until it boils or until it reaches its boiling point. Okay, so now it reaches to its boiling point. Allow to stand a few seconds. Okay. Okay, so now check for the color and change and observe for the changes, and then document the result. Okay. So the interpretation. If cloudiness disappears, negative for albumin. If top liquid opaque, trace of albumin. And if frankly clearly, positive 1 to positive 2 albumin. And if ring is white resembling the white of an egg, it is 3 positive or positive 3 albumin. Okay, so now do aftercare of the equipment. So clean and wash the droppers, test tube and test tube holder using soap and water. But don't forget to turn off the fire from the alcohol lamp to prevent further or any accident. Okay, we'll now wash these equipments. Okay, so now I'm going to disinfect these materials or equipments, the droppers, test tube and test tube holder using a 2 cotton balls and alcohol, and after that I will place it in the kidney basin. Okay, so I will get 2 cotton balls and the alcohol. Okay. Okay, so now I will place this first cotton ball to the waste receptacle because it is now already contaminated. Okay, so now I'm going to disinfect also the lamp and the plastic lining with the use of the sterile cotton balls. Okay, so we'll get another cotton balls and I will disinfect the alcohol lamp. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the gloves and dispose it in the waste receptacle. Okay. Okay, I will put it in the waste receptacle. Okay, so now I will dispose the waste receptacle. Okay, so now wash hands thoroughly and dry it with a clean cloth. Okay, so it is used to remove the dirt and microorganisms. It is the most efficient measure in reducing the risk of transmitting diseases. So I'm going to use the soap in a soap dish and towel. Okay, so now return all the materials or equipments that needed to its proper places inside the bag. Okay. apron away from the body, folding the contaminated part in. Place over the flaps of the bag. Okay, we'll place it in the flaps of the bag. Okay, now fold the plastic lining contaminated part in, place over the flaps of the bag. So now, hold the bag with the use of the one hand, and with the other hand, fold the paper lining, contaminated part in, and place over the plastic lining. Okay, so now close the bag.